Hi everybody! So we're here at the Washington State Spring Fair, and I think it's like a drive-through experience, and we're waiting to... we're in line. Say hi guys. Hi! It's a pretty nice day in Puyallup. Well, it's cloudy, but I mean it's not raining. So we got our tickets scanned. And here are the happenings. But we're really here for this. The food menu. Look at that.
I did that one thing. I just came up with
You did?
Yeah.
Here for the food.
Hello.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Cute. It's the Daffodil Festival. And then we're gonna play bingo. So these are the times.
I just need
They got daffodils for the princesses. You want any coffee?
Not really. I just came from the food.
So our first stop is Frog Hopper Coffee. So we are waiting for our jumbo curly fries, and we ordered a drink, a Sprite for the kids. So we're waiting right now for them to deliver it to our car. And Daddy's looking at the, what are you looking at? Stop. At the menu or whatever, the guide. Yeah.
I don't want to eat.
Eat.
It's steaming.
It's steaming. Open it.
You see the steaming, right? There's chicken.
Yeah,
There's the curly fry. Look at the jumbo curly fries. Oh, it's hot. It's like fogging up the camera. What's that? Oh, napkins and stuff.
Here, guys. Hold on.
that's like humongous.
Whoa!
What is this?
Ooh.
Curly fries. Go for it.
Go
You
for
already
it.
washed your hands.
Go for it.
Ooh, they're steaming hot. Turkey legs, funnel cakes. Okay, Heidi.
For the
My
video.
name's My name's James Bond.
Save your appetite. There's a lot of food coming.
So we ordered funnel cake, and it's taking a little bit longer than expected, I guess. And so they came and gave us a big old bag of cotton candy.
Getting all kinds of free stuff today. I even got a free copy today.
Oh yeah, and then when we were ordering our my cold brew at the coffee place, they messed up the order and got us like a hot coffee, but they gave it to us anyways because they said they already made it. So
Thanks. Was it
it's called Frog Hopper.
Frog
Coffee.
Hopper? Thanks, Frog Hopper.
And then thank you to, what is this place called? The barbecue place?
Mama's
Meat Shack.
Thanks, Mama.
Whoa. Yeah, just hold it like that with the...
Me.
Yummy.
It's not good. It's great.
Oh, good. Who said it's not good? It's great.
Ooh, you're gonna try it.
Is it good?
A little bit of
I
strawberry.
already did. It's good.
Oh, you got a big strawberry?
It's good, but I'm really cold.
Want your jacket?
Well, I'm gonna try this.
Get
I ate my fork.
it. Grab it, Reagan.
Here, Reagan. Sorry. Here.
Wait, what is those French fries?
Are those French fries?
No,
It's a funnel cake.
It's like a cake.
So it's cake.
Get that one. Nobody's using it.
Alright. What the heck happened to it? Give me that.
And they killed that funnel cake. That was like in 1 minute. 1 minute time. Is it good? Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
The first bite, actually. You gotta try it.
You gotta try it.
Did you know I never had funnel cake before?
You've never had funnel cake before?
Really?
Yeah, that's my first time.
It's your first time?
No.
Oh my god.
What do you think?
It isn't his first time. It was like at Knott's or
Knott's Berry Farm.
Or at Disneyland.
One of those.
One of those places.
Yeah.
You just been to so many, huh?
But if you don't like strawberries or anything like that, it's okay. You can order it. You can order it without it.
Yeah, you can order it plain, right, Ryan?
Oh yeah, thanks for the hot tip.
But now I must be gone.
Where are you going? Ah!
Look at this! Look at it! Oh, Daddy! Daddy! Oh man!
Alright, so far. So far we had the curly fries, we had the turkey legs,
And there's more. Hello.
funnel cake, and some cotton candy. What is the favorite so far?
We got the cotton candy for free. Turkey legs.
Turkey legs,
Funnel cake.
and then funnel cake.
But if you order the fries, they're like in the block, so that might surprise you. Yeah, we killed them in like 1 minute. 10 minutes. 5 minutes.
10 minutes.
Ooh, so good. So full.
Oh, we got more to visit.
Mommy's got her scones. Baker's dozen for 20 bucks.
I guess.
There we go. Where's your head?
Yeah. What kind of snake?
This is a Taiwanese beauty snake or a Taiwanese rat snake.
Oh wow.
They have two different names.
Does it bite?
They do bite sometimes. It doesn't hurt too bad though.
Oh really?
They get their name beauty snake because of those markings on their eyes. It makes it look like they have eyeliner on.
These guys will. Hey, can I take pictures?
Oh my God, Rocco.
Yeah. Oh, there's a parrot.
Take pictures.
I want to take pictures. No.
Look on the bottom.
I think it's not good. Megan's going crazy.
Magnificent macaws. Macaws have very powerful beaks with a bite pressure up to 700 pounds per square inch. OMG.
So they can crush our skulls.
Look, he's cleaning his feathers. 1,300 pounds. Right there. Hey, we'll go on your side and take a picture of it. It's out. Is that real? It's real. It's wet. Yes. Dog, I'm not even playing. He's out. He escaped.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, hey, we're not going to take pictures? Dad.
Sorry.
You're good.
Yeah,
There's a python in there.
there's goose eggs. Let's go.
Aww.
They make the cheese.
And milk. That's not this one.
It's the same.
Wait.
It's a My Little Pony.
Cool.
It's
Reagan loves My Little
Applejack.
Ponies. Applejack.
Cool.
Oh, it's a llama.
Llama.
Mama. Careful, you might get sick.
It's a llama.
Mom, sassy.
What? What is this one? What do you see? Ooh, it's gonna fall. That's kind of creepy. So, we are now waiting for a game of bingo to start because bingo starts at 2:15. We just missed the 1:40 game. And so we're just queued up in line to go inside. And it's like a drive-in bingo. So, we just got some kettle corn too. Let's see your kettle corn. They're eating, oh, it's big. That was $10, and then Reagan's eating the rest of the cotton candy.
But this was for free.
It was for free. Anyways, All right, we'll see you for big winners at the bingo game in a little bit, and we will check in with you later. We're all kind of full too, so.
Super full.
Definitely not me.
We're only here for the food, right, guys? Licking her lips.
Wait, what are the rewards?
Got her bingo card.
I want to win.
No,
Come on, guys, let's
Look
win.
at this.
console. Great.
Here, kids.
I got it. I know how to play.
You know how to play it?
I know how.
Reagan will be in control in the back. Here.
I don't know how. We're gonna be controlling the back. Oh, that's hard.
How to play drive-in bingo.
So you're lucky.
Anybody get an elephant here? Earthquake
I can sing
You
it.
guys get it?
No.
Aww.
And 32.
B6 and 32.
Nope.
32? No.
Nope.
Nothing.
Dang.
Nothing.
We have 62. That works. Wait, that's.
Reagan, you got it.
Woohoo! Which is too much.
Reagan won.
And then we're going to play complete blackout.
Complete blackout. Oh, complete blackout is so fun. Roll up the window.
Reagan won the first game.
Yeah.
Look at that. Everybody punched for you.
I'm a kid. But I won bingo.
So Reagan won bingo. Let's see her prize again. She got a piggy. Out of like how many cards? Maybe like
It was a lot of fun.
30 to 40 cards,
Yeah.
maybe 20, 30, 40, I don't know. Cards. Reagan won the first game of bingo, and she was really close to winning the second one too. The blackout. She only needed one more number to win, but it's okay. And I think we're gonna head home now because we're all gonna poop, and we have still like lots of food left over. Yeah, we still have one more turkey leg that we didn't eat yet. And lots of popcorn. We still have scones and cotton candy, French fries. So I think we're gonna head home, unless we pass by another place. We're gonna pick up more food. But Spring Fair 2021 was a success, I say. What about you guys?
Success.
Success?
Success.
You come again next time?
Yep, just for the food.
Just for the food. We're here for the food.
We're
Always.
here for the food.
I'm also here for the on bingo 16th or something like that. And the 15th, there's gonna be a drive-in movie night.
Yeah. Well, movie nights. Yeah, drive-in movie nights. So, anyways, all right. We will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys get notified of our new videos.
Bye.
Bye. Peace out.